हरिः ओम। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Today, the entire world suffers from epidemic tragedy like corona. All are taking measures of self-defense according to their own wisdom. The greatest need is to protect yourself at this time. If we are protecting ourselves, then surely we are serving the country and collaborating to save the world from this tragedy. We should stay at our homes and go outside only when it's really important. Let us cooperate in the call made by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, and whatever we are guided by the governance and administration. We should honestly follow their rules and regulations with the spirit of patriotism. First of all, stay safe and then try to secure others too. But if you notice any symptom of the virus, then immediately go and get yourself tested and inform the government by the helpline number that they have issued. As only with these short precautions will be able to save yourself, protect your family, and you will also be able to extend your support to the nation. All the scientists are looking for the vaccine, but there are no measures of safety yet. One thing that occurs to my mind in this situation that really makes sense and which is according to the law of Shastra and was approved by our sages, that whom they have given the status of mother. They certainly are life-giving forces to protect us, like Tulsi Mata, Gau Mata, Ganga Mata, Dhatri Phalam, whom we call Amla. It is able to provide motherly strength. If there are cows at your home, then take good care of them. Consume Panchgabya and Panchamrit. Serve Gau Mata with your own hands as much as you can, because Gavo Vishwasya Matara. Gau is the mother of universe. Our Gau Mata is full of pure Vedas symptom and attributes. If we will serve her, then surely she will protect us from all the disasters. But we must keep faith. People who are the worshippers of the bank of the river Ganga, they should pray and consume Ganga Jal by doing purifications. The biggest thing is that we use Tulsi. Drink warm water, use Amla, and consume hot items like cloves, ginger, black pepper, etc. Our diet should be pure. If we want to save ourselves, protect ourselves, then let us turn to the traditions started by our sages as soon as possible. And please try to follow pure vegetarianism. We can serve our nation and ourselves only from the stated systematic system suggested by our rishis. There are 7 bearers of earth. Gobhir vipraischa vedaischa, satibhir satyavadavi, alubdhair danasilaischa, saptabhir dharyate mahi. These are the 7 pillars of Mother Earth. And the first one is Gau. So serve Gau Mata and consume her pure and powerful milk. If we can secure even a single one out of these 7 pillars, then we must try to secure it, support it, and provide our full help in it. See, we have lots of time in this lockdown. So what we need to do, that we should read Gopal Sahasranaam. People who are the worshippers of Shiv and Shakti, they should perform the lessons of Rudrashtadhyayi and Durga Saptati. Do Narayan Kavach, Ram Raksha Stotra, etc. But people, those who does not have the knowledge of Sanskrit, they should read Hanuman Chalisa, do monthly lessons of Ramcharitmanas, perform religious rituals by the help of Brahmins. Surely prayer has lots of power. So pray to the Prabhu that he saves our nation from epidemic tragedy like COVID-19. All these worships and prayers will definitely bear fruit, and our nation will be happy and prosperous. If you plead and pray with God to avoid this terrible epidemic, then the grace of Thakurji will definitely rain on us. Such is my absolute belief and faith. Thank you and have a nice day. Radhe Radhe.